Good morning and welcome to the Forex Daily Update, brought to you by Pepperstone on Tuesday the 24th of October 2017. And I'm Darren Sinden. Don't forget you can follow me throughout the day on Twitter at @DS_Pepperstone. Right, let's take a look at overnight changes and price moves to be aware of. And to be honest, it was a pretty quiet session yesterday. Very few major moves of note or interest. I will just flag dollar yen here trading at 113.36. That's below yesterday's lows, even after a spike on the news of Shinzo Abe's re-election. So perhaps a surprise to see the yen trading there. We'll look at that in a bit more detail in a moment. And then dollar index 93.75 down on the day. Has the dollar rally paused for breath, or has it come to a halt? We'll have to wait and see. I guess the biggest mover of note today is Bitcoin, down around 3.87% to $5,643 a coin, although it's still at 43.86% on the month to date. Right, now chart of the day, and the question here I've posed is, can Shinzo Abe and hacker hero Kuroda weaken the yen once more? That's a combination of the Bank of Japan's Governor Kuroda and Japanese PM-elect Shinzo Abe. Here is the dollar yen plot in green against the Japanese trade-weighted yen, the yen index, if you will, in blue. And what those two gentlemen will be hoping will be to see this divergence continue to expand. A weak yen, of course, being a cornerstone of Japanese monetary and economic policy. Okay, what's on the calendar today? Events that may move the markets. It's really all about PMI data today. We've got readings at 7:30 from Germany, composite services and manufacturing PMI reads, all preliminary reads, but nonetheless all important stuff. And these are figures for October. Similar data out of the Eurozone as a whole at 8 o'clock. Again, manufacturing services and composite PMI reads. And then this afternoon, it's a reprise at 13:45 GMT. We're over to the States for the manufacturing PMI, services PMI and composite PMI reads for the US. Again, preliminary data for October. Purchasing Managers Index, really a guide to the confidence that businesses are feeling in the current economy. If you're a night owl at 21:45 GMT tonight, we have unemployment rate and participation rates for Q3 from New Zealand. Right, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye overnight. First of all, XiJinping, the Chinese premier, is named in the Communist Party's manifesto, confirming his all-powerful status among China's elite. Japan's manufacturing PMI fell short of forecast in October at 52.5 versus 53.1, so there's still a bit to do as far as stimulating the Japanese economy is concerned, and I'm sure Messrs. Kuroda and Abe will be looking closely at that. Moving over to the States, and the US is set to impose anti-dumping tariffs on biodiesel imports from Argentina and Indonesia, and the latest of Donald Trump's trade war escalations. And the country will also consider setting sanctions against Myanmar over the Rohingya refugee crisis. Right, food for thought, something to take away with you into the trading day. And with a little over a month until OPEC meets in Vienna, what are the prospects for oil into the end of 2017 and into 2018? Barclays believes that the upside in crude prices is limited from here, but are they correct? And the chart here sets out their reasons and matches crude prices against crude supply. Right, risk warning time. Please take a moment to read the risk warning. Trading CFDs and FX on margin can be a risky business. If you're in any doubt about what those risks are or have any other questions, please contact your Pepperstone account representative.